picked up a, what do you call it? Something, I haven't seen many in a while, but this was like, what, under $10. It was like $5. And I see them like super expensive all the time too. Like there's super expensive ones, and then there's crazy like cheap ones. This is a oil can, squirt, and it looks. I bought it because I like the little downward spout on it. I know you could probably turn it like this, go upward, but I like it because it goes downward. I don't know what condition it's in. Like I even didn't get a chance to open it up. Let me wipe it off here first. I don't get though. Like people have all these old tools. Does anybody ever clean anything? Everything's always dirty as hell. I mean, I know some people keep their shops immaculate. Like it's like my uncle used to have a garage, and oh my god, I don't know if it was a garage or a museum. Like he used to. My father used to always tell me, "Take care of your tools, keep them clean." Yeah, my garage isn't exactly the cleanest. I know. Don't tell me. I know. So anyway, here's the inside. It actually looks like a shell with a little plunger bulb. Does it work? I have no idea. Should I put some lube in it? Probably. Actually, what I should do is, before I try to close it back, clean the threads on here. So it gets nice and clean here. And I'll clean the threads in here. All kinds of crusty shit on it. I mean, I know things get dirty. Like people have shops and stuff gets everywhere, but holy crackamoly. There we go. Now, what should I put in here? This thing doesn't want to really cooperate. Nope, it's on wrong. I threaded it wrong. Jeez Louise. Come on. There we go. Nope. Nope. It's still threaded wrong. Why does it not want to? You don't like me. You don't like me. Nope. That doesn't look right. This is weird. Why does it not want to thread on properly? Maybe that is the way it goes. Yeah, that's a little... I don't know. It doesn't look right. It does not look right. Something don't jive about this. Yeah. Maybe that's the way it goes. Who knows? Let me put some juice in here. See if we can find some liquid to put in it. I'll find something. Hold on a second. I will find something. Well, folks, I found a bottle of air tool oil. Won't show the brand so I don't get sued. Just kidding. I will put this on here, and I will try not to turn it sideways while I screw this on here. There we go. There we go. Now let's juice something with it. Did I buy a dud? Oh, it works. Cool, it works. I can... Here, I'll show you it works. Look at that. Oh, it works. $5. It's a little cruddy, but you know what? It's all mine. Now I'll have, I don't know, 23 of these things. Maybe, I don't know, 15. But the reason why I buy so many of these things is because I leave one over there. I leave one over here. I leave one there. There should be one over here. There's a whole bunch of unused ones in the corner over here somewhere. I put one over there. I try to leave them everywhere because when you have one and you lose it, it's like, oh, where'd it go? I also bought magnets on the bottom. Those little sticky magnets. I'm going to put I bought some little round disc magnets just so you can put them there and it'll topple over. You know, good purchase, $5. Plus it's got my other one has the little straight spout. That one has like I don't know, I have a bunch of Eagle oilers, so I thought it was pretty cool. See, it's a little. I don't know who makes this. There's no markings on it. There's nothing on the bottom. I'm assuming it's one of those Eagle Oilers. Is it leak? Doesn't leak. It's good. It's got a little crustiness on it. See, I'll clean that off. Yeah, let's see if I can clean off again. But it's always they always come in handy, especially if you have like a couple of machines and where'd it go? Where'd the oil thing go? It's like you never. It's always I lost it somewhere. You put it down and like where did it go? So I'm like, you know what? It's like grinders. I think I have like 5 or 6, 7 grinders because I hate changing the discs. There we go. See, it's a little less. It's a little less crusty in there. Cleaned it off. There's like it's like there's black soil in it. It's weird. It's funny how grease and oil look like black dirt. I remember my grandfather, I was told by my father, he says, my grandfather wanted black dirt one time. And they offer a bunch of truckloads. He's like, look, I got this nice black dirt for the yard. It was asphalt. There we go. See? Looks a little better. So, yeah. You see these? Pick them up. They're useful. See? I like the little downward spout. Usually the tips are all gone. And nobody replaced them. So anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. Toodles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click some buttons. Thanks for watching.